Hey you guys, are you in need of a new look? Well, you guys are in for a treat today. I'm going to show you how we went from this to this in just 5 minutes. So keep watching. Welcome back you guys. As you know, I'm Stylist Lee. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. So I have another makeover video for you all. And today, our model is Natalia.
Hi guys.
So as you guys can see, Natalia is fully natural. She is pre-colored. And we've already done a consultation on Natalia. What we're going to do is, she wants to get a color for the summer. So the color that we're going to do today is rose gold. So she's already pre-lightened. So we're just going to lighten her up a little bit more so we can show that rose gold vibrant in the sun. One of the things that I'm going to address during her color service is she is a little dry. So we want to go ahead and penetrate that with a nice deep conditioner. One at-home treatment that you can try at home, a product that you can purchase, is Mixed Chicks Deep Conditioner. You can find that at a local Target, or you can also find it at an Ulta. After we complete her color service, we're going to do a nice finishing silk press on her. One thing that's important is you always want to do a deep conditioning treatment after any chemical treated service. One good product to use when doing a colored service is using Olaplex or any type of bond multiplier that's going to help with building those keratin bonds back together to protect your hair from just breaking at the shampoo bowl. Keep in mind, when you're doing a chemical service, you're altering your hair strands. So once you've altered it, you cannot go back to its original state. You do have to grow that hair out. So we're going to be doing a chemical treated service, mixing it with a keratin bond builder. So basically what that's going to do is rebuild those hair strands back together to make it strong so it can withstand everyday styling. So before we start, we're going to wet Natalia's hair up. We're going to blow dry her. And after we blow dry her, we're going to begin with her color service. Now that you guys know what we're going to be doing today, follow me over and let's begin. Welcome back you guys. So as you guys can see, we went ahead and lifted her up to a nice ashy blonde. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and add her some brown roots. She had some brown roots prior to, but I'm going to go ahead and retouch her up a little bit because we do have some black roots in there. So I'm going to retouch her some brown roots, and then we're going to go ahead and add her rose gold for the ends. So I want you guys to take a look right over here to the screen, and I'm going to showcase to you guys how much of her hair shedded out just from normal shedding daily. Nothing severe, nothing too damaging, and we did follow her after by a conditioning treatment. So go ahead and look here. And this is how, if you're getting a good color service, this is about normal on what a natural hair should look like with shedding behind hairs, because you shouldn't have hair melting off or falling out of your head when you get a color services. That's most likely means that you either use a too high developer or the hair is over processed because it was whatever chemical treated it had before. So now that you guys know that, we're going to go ahead and start off with her color application.
Look at what you did.